Narrator, welcome to the heart of our planet, the Amazon rainforest. Spanning over 5.5 million square kilometers, it's the largest tropical rainforest on Earth, covering parts of 9 South American countries: Brazil, Peru, Colombia, Venezuela, Ecuador, Bolivia, Guyana, Suriname, and French Guiana. Cut to diverse wildlife, birds, insects, and mammals. Narrator, home to approximately 10% of the world's known species, the Amazon boasts an astonishing variety of life. From over 40,000 plant species to 1,300 bird species, 2,200 fish species, 427 mammals, and 2.5 million insects, this rainforest is a living testament to Earth's biodiversity. Narrator, beyond its flora and fauna, the Amazon is a sanctuary for over 400 indigenous tribes. These communities have lived in harmony with the forest for centuries, relying on its resources for sustenance and shelter. Their deep knowledge of the ecosystem is invaluable in conservation efforts. Narrator, however, the Amazon faces unprecedented threats. In May 2025 alone, Brazil lost 960 square kilometers of forest, an area larger than New York City, primarily due to illegal logging and land clearing for agriculture. Narrator, these fires, often set to clear land, not only destroy habitats, but also release vast amounts of carbon dioxide, exacerbating global climate change. Narrator, yet hope persists. Indigenous communities like the Secopai have reclaimed over 600,000 acres of ancestral land in Ecuador and Peru, proving that traditional stewardship is crucial for the rainforest's preservation. Narrator, the Amazon rainforest is more than just trees and animals. It's a vital organ of our planet, regulating climate, supporting biodiversity, and sustaining indigenous cultures. Protecting it is not just an environmental issue, it's a global imperative. Narrator, thank you for joining this journey into the Amazon. Remember, every action counts in preserving this irreplaceable treasure.